Hey guys, welcome back to ReviewRounder Tech YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up or how to enable fingerprint reader to laptops such as Dell, Lenovo and more laptops which has got fingerprint unlocking feature as option. Here is the Dell Verstra 14-inch laptop with me and the model number of it is 3468. So let us start the process to enable the fingerprint reader setup. Tap on the Windows Start button. Go to the settings, accounts, sign in options. Actually, I have set a password to it, but I will show you how the computer shows when you set a password. Here is my current password. I will replace it with a new one. Type your password hint, click next and click on finish. Once the password is set, you have to set up a pin to it. Go to pin, validate with your Windows password. Now enter your pin and confirm your pin. So you have set your pin now. Now let us set up the fingerprint security. Click on the setup. Get started. Confirm with your pin. Place and scan your finger on the fingerprint reader. Just move your finger in upward and downward direction as you can see in the video down to the right here. Yes, fingerprint is all set. You can also add multiple fingerprint reader. Setting up of fingerprint reader was done. Now let us make a test and check out whether the fingerprint reader unlocks the laptop accurately or not. Let me lock the screen of this laptop. I'm going to place my finger now. Yes, the fingerprint reader was working. I'll show you one more time. Yes, it's awesome. The laptop gets unlocked easily in seconds. That's all about the process of setting up or enabling fingerprint scanner on laptop. Thanks for watching the video guys. If you have any query with regard to this video, kindly drop it in the comment section so that I can resolve your queries. Before signing off, kindly give a thumbs up if you liked the video or thumbs down if you didn't. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.